everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, August the 25th. The market has been going down for a few days. Let's take a look at the SPY. And you can see all my lines there, that's important. Let me move over this and reduce my oscillators. Well, I told you that the market was going to test the upper channel. It went a little close, but not quite. It didn't quite make it. But I also noticed that it could correct to the Ichimoku cloud, and right there we're finding a little support. Okay, now the market would have to move strongly from here, bouncing from the Ichimoku cloud, to go test the previous high. First going through this line and this second line, these two lines which are previous highs. Okay, so the previous high before this one was a little higher, and then the very all-time high is in this very thick line. So we're getting there. It looks like if the market moves strongly now, it looked like it was going to move strongly in the last couple of days and then fizzle down. Let me get closer so you can see that. Okay, so look at those lines. Look at the numbers and draw those lines yourself. 478 or 477 in some money. Then the second line here, 462, and then my channel. That's very critical. I even made a oval here, which is telling me that's my target, and I say target loosely. Okay, that's sort of what I think could happen. But it's also possible that the market very slowly, if it does it very slowly, goes to the top, to this previous high, and makes a double top, and then collapse and falls below the Ichimoku cloud, which is the worst case scenario. So pay very close attention on how quickly, if you have 3, 4, 5 days of very long green candles, that will be a very strong indicator that the market will go up again and make new highs. Sort of like here, you see those? When you have a previous high here, when you have a strong move, it hits it, then corrects back up, finds some support, and this is when we draw our channels. And those channels are usually respected. When they are not respected is a reversal time. All right, let's go and add our position. We are still in the green, as you can see here, for the P&L since we started this form of trading. But for this year, we are doing particularly well. Okay, so I'm going to add a couple of $500 again worth of stock. And all I'm doing is 100, not 100, one single share of the SPY, because it's expensive enough at $438. So we go to the Analyze tab or the Trade tab, just click on the Ask here, that could be enough. Okay, right there. But I'm going to say only one, but we don't have enough money, okay? So we have to add. If you have a real account and you're trading along with me, you need to add $500 every week, which is what I've been doing. So click here. For those that are just playing along, just simply say adjust cash and add 500 fake dollars. And again, we're doing this to experiment, to see what happens if we buy one single share of the S&P, and I've been doing this for many years, for many weeks now. Okay, I added so that now I have $620.68 that I play with. Go to the Trade tab. Let's go to the Analyze tab, and here we can see that we've been doing this for 116 days. Okay, 116 weeks. Okay, that's quite a bit. Okay, that's 2 years. So, but in those 2 years, we have collected from our own money and then from the stock, not much, but eventually we will have more and more profit. This is a way to save money and at the same time trade in the stock market without having to buy mutual funds, which are honestly expensive in terms of commissions. So in here, we pay very little for just a share. Okay, let's say that, confirm and send. And you can see I'm not paying anything, because nowadays they don't charge you for the stock, which is, you know, one big plus. So I'm not paying commissions. What could be better than that? Well, what could be better than that is if the market broke out, and that's what we're observing, that the market could break out. But yesterday, poof, our dreams came down crashing. It looked like, okay, we'll have two long green days, and then yesterday we have this very negative, very bearish move. But I think that's just temporary. We'll see. Okay, my oscillators are pointing up. My Ichimoku is finding support there, giving us support, and my targets are up above. Okay, we'll see if the market breaks out to new highs, and then we'll be again in a bull market. So far, the market has been moving sideways for quite a while. If you take a look at the weekly chart, well, yeah, we did go down and then up, but we are still in a trading range. Okay, we want to break out from this oval and over this line, the previous high, and then things will change and we will be back to bullishness. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye bye.